I was just kind of thinking, if I could make a piece of art of mine that was just really big, what would I make? So I took the idea of, I have these little painted wood houses that I do that are, they're usually from scrap wood, so they're usually really, really small, like little 6-8 inch tall pieces of wood that are in the shape of a little house. But then I paint them like a big sky scene that's really, they're inspired by North Dakota skies. So sometimes they're really sunny, sometimes they're cloudy. And we took that idea and we've turned it into a big house. So it's 8 feet tall at the peak, and the whole thing is painted with a North Dakota scene. So on the ground are fields, and even I snuck in sunflowers and things in there, and rivers. But most of it, I would say 6 of the 8 feet is just sky. So it's going up at the rest stop on the way to Fargo right before Jamestown. So that'll be a fun little stop. And it's a neat rest stop because when we stopped there, actually, I noticed that all of the buildings are perfectly gabled, like how kids draw houses, like a triangle at the top and then square on the sides. So it'll kind of fit right in, little house, and then my painted house there. So some public art for people that are driving through.